Joe, my laptop just died, and my wallet's in a coma too.
Sounds like you need an emergency fund.
An emergency what now?
A stash of cash that saves you when life breaks something.
Without one, you'll always borrow during emergencies.
So my credit card isn't an umbrella?
Nope, it's a leaky bucket.
No wonder I'm soaked in debt.
Start small. Save $5 a week. What'll that buy me? Half a sandwich? Not much now, but it buys peace later. So every coin's a stress repellent? Exactly.
Cut one thing you don't use, maybe a subscription, and save that money.
Goodbye, 4 streaming services I forgot I had.
Congrats, you just gave future you a safety net.
You better thank me.
Set up an auto transfer every payday.
But what if I forget?
That's perfect. Your savings grow while you forget.
A lazy man's dream.
Exactly.
Give your fund a name. It keeps saving fun.
Mine's called Don't Panic Piggy.
Perfect. That name keeps motivation alive.
Then, future me owes Present Me a High Five.
Emergency. Only use it for real emergencies, like car repairs or medical bills.
Not for pizza deals?
Only if your oven explodes.
Fair.
So it's not about saving fast, it's about saving steady.
Exactly. Consistency beats chaos.
One day, I'll have a fat fund. And zero panic.